Good morning, students. Welcome back to online class chapter 2. The name of the chapter is Sexual Reproduction in Flowering Plants. The topics are the pistil, megasporangium or ovule and embryo sac. Let's start with the pistil first. The pistil are the component of gynecium, and gynecium represents the female reproductive part of flower. Gynecium may consist of a single pistil, and if it is so, it is called monocarpellary, or gynecium may consist more than one pistil, and if it is so, it is called multicarpellary. Look at the pictures 1 and 2. In the first picture, a gynecium has only one pistil, so it is called monocarpellary. This picture 1 is the example of monocarpellary. But in picture 2, a gynecium has two pistils, so it is called multicarpellary. When there are more than one pistil, the pistils may be fused. Then we use the term syncarpous, or it may be free. If it is free, we use the term apocarpous. Look at the pictures 2, 3, and 4. In picture 2, there are two pistils, but the pistils are free from each other. That means they don't fuse with each other. So these pistils are called apocarpous. But in pictures 3 and 4, the pistils are fused with each other. So these type of pistils are called syncarpous. Now let us go to parts of pistil. Each pistil has 3 parts: stigma, style, and ovary. The uppermost part of the pistil is the stigma, and this stigma serves as landing platform for pollen grain. Beneath the stigma, is a stalk called style. And the lowermost part of the pistil is the swollen part called ovary. Inside the ovary is the ovarian cavity where placenta is located. Inside the ovary, there is also a structure called ovule or megasporangium. This ovule is attached to tissue in ovary called placenta. Now look at this picture. This is the picture of a pistil. It has got stigma, style, and ovary. Now if you give this pistil a longitudinal cut, this is what we are going to observe: longitudinal section. You see in the ovary part, you see there is a cavity here. This is the cavity. This is called ovarian cavity. Now in the ovarian cavity, you can see this small line. These are the tissue called placenta. From the placenta arise a small structure. See, there are 4 structures here. These structures arise from the placenta. So these structures are the ovary. If you give a transverse cut to the ovary, this is what you are going to observe. This is the ovarian cavity, placenta, and ovule. Now let us go to types of ovule. There are 6 different types of ovule, and this division of ovule into 6 types is based on the position of micropyle, chalaza, and funicles. You can see the pictures of 6 different types of ovule, and out of these 6 different types of ovules, the anatropous type of ovule is the most common one in angiosperm. Now this is the picture of a typical anatropous ovule. Now this is called the chalazal pole, and opposite to chalazal pole is the micropyle pole. Beneath the micropyle pole, there is a small opening called micropyle. Okay, this small opening. And this body of ovule is attached to the placenta, okay, by a stalk called funicles. Okay. The point where the ovule is fused with the funicles is called hilum. The ovule has got two protective envelopes. Okay, the ovule has got two protective envelopes, see, called integument. The first one is the inner integument, and this is the outer integuments. Okay, please ignore the embryo sac for a while. The central part of the ovule is occupied by a tissue called nucellus. This is how anatropous ovule is arranged within the ovary. Now let us go to Megaspore Genesis and development of female gametophyte. Now let us first go to Megaspore Genesis. What is Megaspore Genesis? It is the formations of megaspores from megaspore's mother cell. Okay. Now let us see how megaspore mother cells formed. Look at this picture. This is a picture of an ovule. Okay. I told you the central part of the ovule is occupied by a tissue called nucellus. Okay. Now from this group of cells, one cell towards the micropyle side become distinct from the rest of the cells. Okay, and these distinct cells become megaspore mother cells. Now let us bring one megaspore mother cell. These megaspore mother cells will undergo meiosis division and give rise to 4 megaspores. See, it will go meiosis division and give rise to 4 megaspores. So the formation of these megaspores from megaspore mother cell, okay, is called megasporogenesis. Now out of these 4 megaspore, only the lowermost megaspore will become functional megaspore. The other upper 3 megaspores will degenerate. Okay. Now this functional megaspore will undergo 3 mitotic division. In the first mitotic division, it will give rise to 2 cells. Okay. And in the second division, it will give rise to 4 cells. Now 2 cells will move towards the chalazal side and the other 2 will move towards the micropyle side. Now it will undergo last mitotic division and give rise to a total of 8 cells. 4 on the upper side, that is on the chalazal side, and 4 on the micropyle side. Now from chalazal side, out of 4 cells, 1 will move towards the center. And same thing from the micropyle side, out of 4, 1 will move towards the center. So this is the picture of an embryo sac. Okay, or this embryo sac is also called female gametophyte. Okay, the 3 cells on the chalazal side are called antipodal cells. Okay, and 2 cells on the center are called central cells, or it is also called 2 polar nuclei. Then there are 3 cells on the micropyle side. The middle one is the egg, and the other 2 that surround the egg are called synergid cells. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.